Hello, welcome. For today's video, I've got a bit of a bonus video for you because I want to show you some jewellery. So you may have noticed that I've been getting back into my jewellery lately. I went ages without wearing any, and then more recently I've started wearing it again. I just think it adds a little bit of something to your outfits, and I just really like it, to be honest with you. So I picked up a couple of pieces from this store here, which is Gona. And they have an online store, and they also have a couple of physical stores in Paris as well. So mine are from the online store. I picked up a bracelet and a set of hoop earrings as well. I thought it'd be quite a good time to show you actually, because it's Mother's Day soon, isn't it? Well, in the UK anyway. So the jewellery that I'm going to show you is all handcrafted jewellery, and it's actually done with micro painting technique as well. So lots of detail, very intricate, very pretty. I'll just show you this first. So this is the packaging that it came in. It's really nice. So yeah, you get this gorgeous gift box, and then you get a little thank you card, which is really cute. But this envelope actually contains a certificate to show the authenticity of the jewellery itself, and obviously the clarity of the silver. Open up the tissue paper, and how stunning is this presentation? The boxes in themselves are really nice quality, and then there's also a gift bag in there with a little silver cleaning cloth as well. So we'll have a look at the bracelet first, which comes in a beautiful jewellery box. It's really nice. The box in itself is really good quality. And then if we take the bracelet out, it's like this. So it's, you know, one of the charm type ones. How beautiful are these beads though? They are so pretty. So we've got this little ball type one with these tiny little like heart flowers in there. And then there's the tiniest little gems in there as well. I love this heart one in the middle though. That is so pretty. And it's really intricate, like the alloy. Is it called alloy? Like this hollow sort of design here. And then we've got these really cute little feathers at the bottom here. Love the flower on the end as well. They obviously, you know, rotate around there as well. The chain in itself though, like the bracelet chain, is very pretty and incredibly sturdy as well, which I need. I love the clasp on it too. We've got this like round clasp with there is a name for these, isn't there? Is it like a T-bar? That's what they're called, aren't they? So obviously that comes out, and then you can put the bracelet on. This might be tricky doing it myself, that's the only thing. There we go, got there in the end. It took me a while, but yeah, so that's what it looks like when it's on. They did actually come in different sizes as well, but no, I think it's absolutely beautiful. Yeah, nice sturdy chain, which I like, because I'm not too keen on the more flexible ones. I don't like it when they keep falling up and down my wrist all the time, whereas this one feels like it's going to stay in place, more like a bangle would, I suppose. I got this one in like a set, so it came with the charms and the bracelet together, but you can buy the charms separately, of course, if you want to as well. And what I was thinking as well was, with the charms, buying them separately, it's like you can use these on like a necklace. Like you can have a chain with one of the beads on, or a few of the beads on, or, you know, if you've got some nice hoops, you could put them on the hoops as well and have like a little addition to your earrings. I think that'd be really cute anyway. But yeah, as I say, I got mine in like a set, but how absolutely stunning are they? And as I say, with Mother's Day coming up as well, which is why I thought of uploading this now. And then I also got some earrings. So these ones are little hoops, and they are very pretty, very dainty, quite simple really, but very pretty at the same time. So it's these ones here. So we've got these little gold hoops, and then we have these little crystals all around the edge, which I think are really pretty. I like the size of them though. I'm not a fan of big hoops, and I don't really like chunky hoops either, but these for me are just right, because as I say, they're quite dainty. And then we kind of pull that bit there to open them, and then I won't show in detail, but just kind of thread them through. They're very easy. Oh, they're really cute. They're really easy to fit. So yeah, that's how they look when they're on. As I say, they're really nice and dainty. And for me, that's just the right size. You know, they're not too big, they're not too small. Nice and lightweight as well. I don't like too heavy earrings. Oh, I really like them. I think they're really cute. And I like how light they are. I really do. Because I don't feel like they're, you know, weighing down my ears or anything. Oh, I really like them. I think they look really nice. I'm so happy with them. I really am. Yeah, both of them, the earrings and the bracelet, absolutely stunning. I definitely need to check out more. I might have a look and see if they've got some necklaces actually. But yeah, there we go. How absolutely beautiful are they though? They're really nice. They really are. Quick delivery as well. What was it? I think it took about less than a week. I think it was like 5 days to arrive from the date of order. So very, very quick. But no, I'm so happy with them, but do check them out. It's beautiful quality as well. As always, I will link the products in the description box below for you with any discount codes as well. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and I'd really appreciate it. It means the absolute world to me. If you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!